Hello everyone. Imagine a data frame with a column for time. The elements in this column could have any format. The goal here is to change the format in a way that Python understands it. Here I'll show you several examples to practice how it can be done. So I will be using PD Pandas because I'm working with data frames and then two underline datetime. And then this is the way. So you already know that here we should put the column that contains date in the data frame, okay? But I'm just putting the examples over here just to show you how different examples could be worked with. And then the most important argument over here is format, how to write this format so that Python understands this format over here. So let's start with this example. So it is 2025 and then we have day over here and then we have month over here and then it is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so format, I start with format and then we have sorry, and then we have all this percentage over here. They start with percentage and then it is a year over here, so I should put capital Y. And remember, if it is 2025 2018, so it's complete year, I put capital Y. If it is only 25 to indicate 2025, I will put a small y. And then the next thing is month, and then I have a dash line over here, so I put a dash line, and then again I start with a percentage, and then I put m, a small m, and then the next one is day. Okay, and then I have a space over here, I put a space over here, and then the next one is hour, minutes, seconds. So capital H, capital M, capital S. And remember, I have colon over here, so I should put colon over here. So in fact, I follow exactly the same format over here, but instead of like hour over here, I put capital H and then capital M, capital S. So let me tell you one thing, capital M means minutes and a small m means month. Okay, please remember the difference. Like all these letters mean something. And then capital Y means 2025 and then a small y means if you had 25 over here. And then I have a distance over a space over here, I put a space over here, colon over here, colon over here. So I follow exactly the same format, okay? And I will have more examples over here and then we will practice more. So let me execute this. So you see, now this date is understandable by Python. So we could have, instead of t, we could have a new column in our data frame, and then we will be returned the new Python understandable formats in our new column in the data frame. Okay, so let me activate the next one. So I have 2019 over here, so capital Y over here, and then I have a slash over here, I have a slash over here, and then this is day, so percentage day, and then this is month, percentage month. I have a space over here, and then this is hour, and then this is minute. I have everything over here. But there is a small point over here. If I'm working with 24-hour like way of expressing the hour, I put capital H. Okay, if it is not, if it doesn't mean like 24-hour way of showing the time, I will put capital I that I will be showing you over here. Okay, so let me run this. So again, I have a slash over here, I should put a slash over here. I have a space over here, colon, and then you see this will be returned, and then this is going to be the new column in our data frame, and then we will work with this new column to extract the year, extract the month, or whatever we need. Let me activate this one. So it starts with month, so percentage month, and then a slash, and then this is day, a slash, percentage day, and then 19, so as I said above, so percentage y, and then space, again 24-hour, like 24-hour way of showing the hour, so it is capital H and then capital M. Okay, so let me run this again. This is going to be returned, and then Python will understand this one. Let me show you the next one. What if the time is expressed this way? So I have day and then month and then year, right? So the first thing is I have a space in between, right? So I'm gonna have a space in between, and then so this is day, right? Just like above. So I put percentage day, and then this is month, like the word for month. I put capital B, so the percentage capital B, and then this is year, and then this is percentage small y, okay, as I explained above. So I have a list I have prepared over here, you know. So capital Y means the year with century, and then small y without century, and then small m is month, as I explained. Capital B is full month name, like January over there, and then day of the month, as you have seen above. And then A, I will practice this just so in the next example, we will practice this one. So capital H is 24-hour clock, and minute is just minute, capital M, and then second. We will practice just now, and then I'm going to show you when it is not 12-hour clock in the next example. So let's do this one, and then imagine we have the day of the week. So let me see if I have it here, the day of the week. But okay, I will show you over. So it is capital A. So let me show you. Oh yes, full weekday name. Okay, so remember, if it is a full weekday name, we are going to use capital A, but when it is a full month name, it is capital B. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is weekday, so percentage A, and then we have day, percent, so we have a space, percentage D, and then we have a full month name, so we have percentage B, and capital B, and then we have 2025, so capital Y. Okay, so the next thing is, so let me run this and see what we get. You know, I have tried to put, because there is no time over here, so we have 0 over here. You know, I have tried to bring like different examples so that we can practice different ways. So now let's go for this one. Tuesday, 12th of August, 2025. And then, you know, this is not, now we don't have a 24-hour clock, right? So we have AM and PM. So again, this is weekday, so capital A, distance, distance, and then this is day, so percentage D, and then full month name, percentage B, and then space, space, and then percentage small y, because this is not 2025, it is just 2000, it is just 25, and then again a space. Now, hour is expressed in terms of AM and PM, so I'm going to use capital Y, sorry, capital I, and then this is minutes, so capital M. So I have a distance, a space over here, again a space over here, and then PM or AM for any of them. So we should put percentage P. So let's go ahead and run this. Now Python understands this format, okay? So you could have a new column in your data frame with this type of format. Okay, and then you can extract the year, and then you will put like .dt, .year, .dt, .month, or day, or whatever. Okay, so let's do this one. You see, it is not a regular way of showing the date and time, right? But again, you know, we can write a good format to understand this. So this is 2018, so capital Y, percentage capital Y. We have a space, dash line, space, dash line, space, and then this is month. You know, we already know, like somehow, because we have the full column with all days, so we already know this is month. So this is M, a small m, because capital M means minutes, and then this is day, and then I have a space over here, a space over here, and then this is 4 p.m., 3 p.m., whatever. It is based on, it is not 24-hour clock, so percentage I, again, another space, dash line, space, a space, dash line, a space, and then percentage P. So let's go ahead and run this. So you see, I have shown you different ways of doing this. So if you haven't, I hope you have found it productive. And then, to be honest, I just try to find as many different examples as possible, so it could answer like as many questions as possible. So if you have any question, just let me know, and I hope you will have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.